Welcome to A Beginner's Guide to Meditation. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know to start your meditation journey, including where to meditate, how to position yourself, whether to use music, and tips to quiet your mind. You can meditate just about anywhere, but I recommend finding a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be your bedroom, a cozy corner in your living room, a park, or even your car, any peaceful setting that feels comfortable to you. For beginners, aim for 5 to 10 minutes of meditation. Setting a timer is crucial. It allows you to focus on your practice without worrying about the time. Remember, it's not about how long you meditate, but about being fully present during that time. While some suggest not to lie down, it's really about what feels best for you. If you're meditating in the morning, sitting up is a great choice to stay alert. For evening sessions, lying down can help you unwind. If you're new to meditation, sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the ground and hands resting on your lap is ideal. You might also try a cross-legged position on the floor if that feels comfortable. As you grow more accustomed to meditating, you can explore different postures. This is a personal choice. Some beginners find soft music or nature sounds helpful. There are various apps available that provide calming sounds. But meditating in silence can also be incredibly powerful. Experiment to see what works for you. When meditating, many techniques exist, but mindfulness meditation is a great starting point. Focus on your breathing. Notice how the air enters through your nose and fills your lungs. Pay attention to the sensations and the rhythm of your breath. It's common to have thoughts pop up during meditation. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Remember, even experienced meditators face distractions. With practice, these thoughts will become less intrusive. Try belly breathing. When you inhale, expand your belly as if you're filling it with air. This technique is very calming and can enhance your meditation experience. It may feel simple, but it can bring a sense of relaxation into your daily life. To make meditation a regular part of your day, establish a habit trigger. This could be something like meditating right after you wake up or after your morning coffee. Find a routine that works for you to help solidify this practice in your daily life. For more insights on the amazing benefits of meditation, check out my next video where I dive deeper into why meditation is transformative. Click on the screen now to learn more, and I'll see you there.